It's safe to say that YouTube is not only the best video platform in the world, but the biggest entertainment platform ever. It's bigger than TV, bigger than radio, bigger than all music platforms combined, and dare I say, bigger than that pile of assignments we've been avoiding. Personally, I usually spend upwards of 7 hours per day on the platform, and I love every second of it, but there's too much ads.
Leave me alone!
I get that creators need to be paid and that YouTube needs to make money, but if I'm watching a 10-hour full course, I'm not interested in seeing 2 back-to-back ads on how I can feel like a billionaire by buying cheap products from China. In order to avoid these ads, one needs to pay upwards of $10, but I'm not trying to do that. So here's how to get the YouTube Student Premium plan, because that's $3 per month here. This amount covers both YouTube and YouTube Music, which honestly makes it better than Spotify and Apple Music combined. I'm gonna assume that since you clicked on this video, you already have a YouTube account. So simply go to youtube.com/premium/student. You're going to see the student plan here. Just click on get student plan and you'll be redirected to this page. In here, you'll need to fill in your country, school, your name, birth date, and the email connected to your YouTube account. This will redirect you to the verification page where you'll need to log into your student email to prove that you are a student. Once you are verified, go back to the main page. From here, just click on continue sign in. Then add your card and confirm your subscription, and boom, you are ad-free. You are going to be charged $3 per month for this service, but in return, you are going to be able to watch or download all the beginning tutorials you'll ever need ad-free. And as a bonus, you'll get to cancel your Spotify and Apple Music subscriptions, saving you millions, assuming that you live for the next 700 years. Now that you're ad-free, use that power to check out Sweet and Saucy, Kamo.io, and Katleho Dev on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.